Today's a fun day. We are going to be shooting my Ruger 44 Magnum Blackhawk. This gun is a fun gun to shoot. Single action, all stainless steel. We're going to be shooting a 240 grain 44 mag projectile out of this. And we are shooting at expired food today. And what do we have? We have Campbell's tomato juice. I bought this in 05. Also going to be shooting at a can of Campbell's tomato soup. No telling when I bought this. This was on the back shelf, the pantry. This one here, oh, I know what this was. This was Y2K rations. This is Myers sweet peas. No salt added. Well, we're going to find out. So let's get started. Okay, first the sweet peas. That can is gone. Holy smoke. Look at that. That's a 44 Magnum. I'm thinking maybe we should step it down to a 9mm. Woo! Good thing I used the protective lens. My GoPro $400 camera would look like that. That's not good. All right, we're gonna go clean this up and we'll be right back to shoot the other two cans. Okay, now for the tomato soup. But that was tomato soup after 14 years. Yuck. Doesn't smell bad. Okay, now for the Campbell's tomato juice. Got me back here. Oh, gosh. I'm covered in tomato juice. Whew. Well, that was a lot of fun.